All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking to see if what we have here is a function. And you can see that we are given a variety of different ways to display this information. We have a set of ordered pairs, we have mapping diagrams, and we have graphs. So we're going to look at a variation of ways to determine whether or not we have a function. So if we look at the first one here, this is a set of ordered pairs, and so we look at our x values. We have -7, we have 3, we have -7, and we have 7. And so right there we see with our x values, we see that repeat, and that repeat tells us that no, this is not a function. So let's look at our next one. Our next one is a domain and range with a mapping function. So if we look at this, it says that 1 maps to 15. If we wanted to, we can write these out in ordered pairs. So 1, 15. 4 maps to 15. Remember, we're allowed to have repeats in the y values, just not in the x. 7 maps to -6. 7 also maps to 20, and right there is where I can stop and say that no, this is not a function. Now you might get to the point where you look at like number 3 and you're able to just say, well, look at 5, it's going to 5, 1's going to 5, 9's going to 2, 7's going to 2, 6's going to 7, 5's going, or 15's going to 1. There's no repeats, so yes, this is a function. Or if you wanted to, you could take and write out the ordered pairs. 5, 15, 5, 5, 1, 5, 9, 2, and so forth. Okay, so the first 3 examples there are if we are given either the table of values, ordered pairs, or the mapping diagram. Now we're going to take a minute and look at if we are given a graph. And so this is the graph that we are given here. And so if we look at this, what we would be applying is that we use the vertical line test. We know that if we have 2 x values, what that means is that they line up on the same vertical line. And so we don't have to list out all the ordered pairs here. What we really have to realize is that if we draw all these vertical lines, it would only intersect our given graph at one point at any one time. So therefore, yes, this is a function. If we look at number 5 and apply the vertical line test, we can see that if we drew vertical lines through this, that yes, this is a function, that it only intersects any one point on our given graph at any one time. Let's go and look at number 6. This is just a set of ordered pairs that are on a graph, but if we take and apply our vertical line test, you can see that it intersects only 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So yes, this is a function. If we look at the next one here, you can see that if we take our vertical line test and we start to go through, that vertical line is going to intersect just 1 point at any one time. So yes, it is a function. Let's look at number 8. Number 8, if we take our vertical line and run it through, it is going to just intercept just 1 point at any one time. And so therefore, yes, it is a function. Number 9, if we run our vertical line through, it intersects just one point at any one time. And yes, it is a function.